work done in work done. One is positive work done, second one is negative work done, and third one is zero work done. Let us go in detail wow the direction of force and displacement in each of the following cases. Let us see some of the cases which we have with an examples. So in that first one, which here the first one, the boy pushing the car, and second one, the person is catching the ball which is coming towards him, and in the third one, a boy is handling a stone and drilling it continuously towards the round. Okay, and in the fourth, you will have seen a person riding a car. So in these all four examples, what will be the direction of force and displacement? Let us consider. So take the first example which we have. What is the first example? It is a person pushing the car. In this, which direction is applying the force? In that direction. And displacement is also same in that direction, isn't it? Both force and displacement are in the same direction. So which type of work we can say? We can consider this one as a positive work done. Whereas in the second, the force is in the same direction and displacement is also along the same direction. So here also this type of force is this type of work done is a positive work done. Coming to the third one. So here the person, which type is applying the force? In this direction, the displacement is in perpendicular to each other. So force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, which is making a 90 degrees angle. So here the work done is zero work done. So when coming to the third one, here the force is applying on the steering and the displacement is on the brake where it is stopping. So when force and displacement are opposite to each other, then what type of work done it is?
Negative.
Negative work done. Very good. So these are the different types of work done which we can see by these examples. I think it is clear to everyone, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
What white coming? Oh, yes.
So here, what are the three different types? Positive, negative, and zero work done. Let us understand much more clearly. So if the force and displacement are in the same direction where theta equals to 0, then work done by the force is positive. So it is a positive work done. So, and coming to the next one, when the force and displacement will be in opposite direction, where the theta is equals to 180 degree, then the work done by that force is negative. When the applied force does not cause any displacement, or when the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, where theta equals to 90 degree, then the work done by the force is 0. So this is what the three types of work done which we have: positive, negative, and zero work done. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, let us try to understand much more clearly with some of the cases. What are the cases we have? By using the table. So here theta is equals to 0 degrees. Then what will be the cos 0 value?
1.
1. So then work done is equals to F into S, where it is positive.
Yes.
So when theta is equals to 90 degree, what is the value of cos 90?
0.
0. So the total work done will be
0.
It is a zero work done. And if it is 180 degree, what will be cos 180 degree?
-1.
-1.
-1. So work done will be
And it is negative.
negative.